23rd February 1991. It could have been a normal night, a time when daughters hand over the last cup of kahwa to their fathers and mothers kiss goodnight to their young ones. But it was a night in Kunan and Poshpora, the darkest night in the history of Indian Occupied Kashmir. A night when the Indian troops forced themselves into the homes of civilians and inflicted the most unspeakable horrors on the women of Kunan and Poshpora. The despicable cowards see the women as a weapon of suppression, a tool of control. But little do they know, these are the women of Kashmir, fearless and feisty, brave and bold, born and bred with the spirits of freedom. Delicate they may be, but they cannot be repressed. Today, in solidarity with the women of Indian Occupied Kashmir, and to mark their continuous strength and resilience, let's pay a tribute to the sacrifices, struggles, and resistance of Kashmiri women.